Hi all, Crypto Flow Zone here on why Bitcoin is king of crypto. Bitcoin isn't just another cryptocurrency, it's a financial revolution. Since 2009, it has outperformed traditional assets and altcoins, proving itself as the most reliable store of value in the digital economy. Why does Bitcoin dominate the market? Here are 5 key reasons. Unlike altcoins that rise and crash unpredictably, Bitcoin follows a steady 4-year halving cycle, creating consistent long-term growth. Second point, scarcity and fixed supply. With only 21 million BTC ever, Bitcoin is deflationary, unlike fiat currencies. Point 3, market dominance. Bitcoin holds over 40% of the total crypto market cap, ensuring stability and liquidity. Point 4, institutional and sovereign adoption. Governments and companies like Michael Saylor's strategy and BlackRock are betting big on Bitcoin in 2025. And lastly, point 5, regulatory clarity. Unlike many altcoins, Bitcoin is officially recognized as a commodity, securing its future. Bitcoin isn't just an investment, it's reshaping finance. From spot ETFs to corporate holdings, its adoption is skyrocketing with many new crypto accounts in 2025. So, are you ready to dominate the crypto market with Bitcoin trading? Unlock expert insights, Bitcoin cycle strategies, and long-term investment tips only at cryptoflowzone.com. Subscribe for free now and turn your crypto knowledge into profits. Your financial freedom starts today.